those days where you want to give your table a little bit of oomph, some vavavoom, and you look around and realize, oopsie, I don't even have fresh flowers. This is where we come in to teach you how to make sunflower coaster for beginners. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to channel Nkateko Waluka. We are going to teach you exactly how to do that. Let's sit down and enjoy. Subscribe below and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any of our interesting tutorials. For your sunflower coaster, you will need a crochet hook, a 1.5 millimeter crochet hook, a pair of scissors, wool. We are using the Mirage 4-ply range, which we are using color Ntiko for the center. You can either use color Sunrise, which is that one, or Sunset, or just simply yellow. Let's start. We are going to start with chaining 6 for our magic circle. We make a knot like that, and that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we bring this together in a circle with a slip stitch like that. Then we chain 3, and we are going to do double stitches all around this circle, a total of 15. So this counts as 1, and we do double stitches like that, a total of 15. So let's meet when we are done. When you are done with your 15 double stitches, you bring that together in a slip stitch. So on that chain that you started with, the back loop of that top chain, you do a slip stitch there to bring this together, and the back will look like that. We are just going to cut that tail. So you have the back like that and the front like that. We chain 3, and we are now going to double up. Our second row, we just double up. So in each and every chain, we double up. So that one will count as 1. We are in 2 there, and we double up in each and every chain. You do 2 double stitches. So you can already tell that you will have a total of 30. So let's meet when we are done with our second row. We now have 30 of our double stitches. We join that with a slip stitch there on the back loop of the top chain. You do that. So we now have that, and this time the third row, we are now going to do doubling, but in this fashion. The first chain that we did there of 3, we going to do our double stitch there, 2 of them. On the next chain we just put 1 double stitch, then the following one we do 2 double stitches. One double stitch on the next chain, 2 double stitches, like that. So we are going to do the row 3 like that, so that we have our center lying flat nicely like that. So let's meet when we have completed row 3. We are done with the 3rd row. Everything, if it went well with you, you should have 45, because we will almost like increasing in 3 3 3 6 9, so you should have a total of 45 double stitches. So now we are going to slip stitch there, and we are going to hide that tail like that, and we come from there, almost like when you pull that in there, it will make a nice ending. So we take that, pull it through like that, so that we have a continuous nice ending, and we bring this, go inside that double stitch, try and bring this down, and we are going to make a knot there so that it doesn't untangle itself. And we go in through those double stitches there to take that wicking tail, and cut. And so we have the center now complete and almost lying flat. So now we are to introduce the sunset color. Okay, so you can start anywhere. I'll just start there. Take my working wool like that to start my chain of 3, which will count as a double stitch as well. We are going to introduce the shells. I like incorporating the wool in like that. I'll only cut that tail. 3, and now we do double stitch in that same area, chain 1, and work 2 more double stitches in that area like that. From here we count 3. From this we count 1 2 3. On the 3rd chain area there, we are going to work another shell. So this row will consist of these shells like that. Count 3 again, 1, 2, 3. There we work another shell. So let's meet when we are done with this row. Okay, let's see if we have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I guess you understand why we have 15. It's because these were 45 and every third place we were putting a shell. Every third place we were putting a shell. So let's slip stitch, but this time we are going there underneath the chain. We slip stitch like that and slip stitch again like that to that window. We chain 3. Now we are going to increase our shells by doing now 3 double stitches. We were doing 2 double stitches, now we do 3 double stitches. 3 double stitches, because that one counts as 1. We chain 3 to make a picot or picot. We are going to put our crochet hook there and hook the working wool and slip stitch. That's how we create that, and work our double stitches again, 3 of them in that same window. Do you think you want repeat? Let's try one more time. So it's double stitches, 3 double stitches in that window. Chain 3, and in those almost like first or front chains of the 2 double stitches, you put your working hook and hook like that, slip stitch like that, and work your 3 double stitches again in that same window. So let's meet when we have completed this row. Simply stunning. We are done with our row. We slip stitch there. You can slip stitch again for the second time and cut your working wool. So here we are just going to hide that by pulling it in there, so we'll have the ending remaining like that. And like we did before, we try and take this working wool through one of the double stitches just to bring it down like that, and in there we make another knot. So just make another knot there, and in between the double stitches, you put your working hole to go and pull that and hide it nicely. Yeah, so that's it, beginners. I hope you have enjoyed this nice, beautiful tutorial. You can also check out our tutorial 8 where we were doing a colorful butterfly. We were doing those picot. Even in tutorial 11 when we were doing the leaf branch, we did the picot for the leaves. Subscribe so that you never miss any of our tutorials. Bye bye.